Imagine walking into a room where the walls sparkle, the bed feels like a cloud, and someone's already waiting to take your luggage. All before you even said a word. The $100 hotel was located in the heart of a busy city. Convenient, but surrounded by traffic, noise, and very little charm. From the moment we stepped out of the car, it felt like we had entered another world. Valet service met us instantly. Inside, the lobby was more like a museum. High ceilings, chandeliers, fresh orchids, soft classical music playing in the background. The coffee came from a machine, and it tasted like it.
Ow.
In the budget room, we constantly adjusted our expectations. It's excessive, impractical, and for most people, a one-time fantasy rather than a habit. But there's a reason these rooms exist. For celebrities, billionaires, honeymooners, or those chasing a bucket list dream. They're designed to be once-in-a-lifetime moments, the kind that leave an imprint on your memory forever. We lowered the bar, told ourselves, it's okay, it's cheap. It's not just a stay. It's a story, and some stories are worth the splurge. At the luxury hotel, we felt elevated, like we were part of something rare and elite. That feeling of being cared for, of having every need anticipated, is what makes the experience truly unforgettable. It wasn't just about the room, it was about the emotional shift, the sense of privilege, peace, and indulgence. There was no spa, no concierge, and no privacy. Just a noisy hallway and a few basic amenities. Still, it did the job. A bed to sleep on, a bathroom to shower in, and a roof over your head. Was that enough? Sometimes it's about getting from point A to B, saving money, and focusing on the experiences outside the room. In one, we tossed and turned on a stiff mattress with thin pillows, listening to traffic outside. The real question is, was the luxury worth it? For us, it was about the once-in-a-lifetime feeling. But for everyday travel, that $100 room will get you where you need to go. In the end, money can buy comfort, beauty, and peace, but it can't replace your own travel goals and values. In the other, we drifted off to sleep on a king-sized bed with a pillow menu, blackout curtains, and total silence. It wasn't just sleep. It was rest, at a level we didn't even know was possible. And that's valid too. The trick is knowing what kind of trip you want, and what matters most to you. A personal concierge greeted us with a welcome drink and escorted us all the way to the suite, explaining every feature on the way. When the doors opened, the suite looked like it belonged to royalty. Panoramic views of the ocean, a living room bigger than most apartments, a private spa area, and a fully stocked bar with rare bottles from around the world. The lobby was small and basic, with a lone receptionist who handed over the key without much of a smile. The elevator creaked as it climbed to the third floor. When we opened the door to the room, the first thing we noticed was the smell. Not terrible, but a little musty. The bed was clean, the bathroom was tight, and the view? A concrete wall and a rusty fire escape. It was everything you needed, and nothing more. Now imagine checking into another room where the paint is peeling, the bed squeaks when you sit, and the only person welcoming you is a vending machine in the hallway. That's the reality of today. It's a challenge. A $100 hotel room versus a $10,000 luxury suite. We had a private butler available 24/7 who remembered our preferences, arranged experiences, even folded clothes we hadn't realized we'd left lying around. The bathroom featured heated marble floors, a rain shower, and a jacuzzi with underwater lighting. Breakfast wasn't just food, it was an event. Served on a private terrace with handmade pastries, imported fruits, and coffee brewed by a master barista. Every detail screamed luxury. But the price tag alone doesn't tell the whole story. This is about the full experience, and what money truly buys you, when it comes to comfort, service, and lifestyle. We started the day with 2 identical suitcases and one big question. How much difference can $9,900 really make in your stay? Now let's talk about the $10,000 hotel experience. But it's not just about looks. Service at the $10,000 room was on another level. Back at the $100 room, breakfast meant walking to the lobby and grabbing a paper plate of scrambled eggs and toast that had been sitting out for a while. What surprised us most was how each place made us feel. Of course, Not everyone needs a $10,000 hotel stay. In contrast, the $100 hotel reminds us that not all travel is about luxury. As the night ended, we reflected on both stays. The real question isn't which room was better. That's obvious. Still, if you ever get the chance to walk into a $10,000 hotel suite, take it, even for one night.